Welcome to my YouTube channel Unfold Biography. Today we will talk about Prophet Uzair alayhi salam. Let's start the video. Prophet Uzair alayhi salam, also known as Ezra in some traditions, is a figure mentioned in the Quran and various Islamic traditions. While his story is not as widely discussed as those of other prophets, but his life holds significant lessons for Muslims. Uzair alayhi salam is believed to have been sent by Allah to guide the people of his time, and his story is primarily associated with the children of Israel. According to Islamic tradition, Prophet Uzair alayhi salam was born during a time when the Israelites were experiencing hardship. His community had been taken into captivity, and many of their religious practices and knowledge had been lost. Uzair alayhi salam was raised in this environment, but he was chosen by Allah to revive the teachings of the past and lead his people back to righteousness. The Quran mentions Uzair alayhi salam in a surah At-Tawbah, where the people of the book, particularly the Jews, are said to have referred to him as the Son of God. This indicates that Uzair alayhi salam was highly revered, though it also suggests that some misinterpretations of his status had developed. Islam teaches that all prophets are human beings who guide their people to worship the one true God, and they are not divine beings themselves. In terms of his life, one of the most famous events in the life of Prophet Uzair alayhi salam is related to his death and resurrection. According to Islamic tradition, Uzair alayhi salam was once traveling when he saw a ruined city and wondered how Allah could possibly revive it. Allah then caused Uzair alayhi salam to die for 100 years, and when he was resurrected, he saw his donkey had decomposed. And he found that the city had been rebuilt, and everything had changed. However, upon Allah's command, the donkey's bones were miraculously restored to life, showing Allah's power to revive life and bring forth miracles, even after a long period of time. This event served as a powerful reminder of Allah's ability to give life and take it away. Uzair alayhi salam resurrection also demonstrated Allah's power to restore things to their original state. After this event, Uzair alayhi salam continued to guide his people and spread the message of monotheism. His story is often seen as a testament to Allah's power over life, death, and the revival of nations or communities. Prophet Uzair alayhi salam is also associated with the preservation of sacred knowledge. It is said that Uzair alayhi salam was a learned man who was well versed in the scriptures and the laws given to the people of Israel. His knowledge and wisdom helped his people rediscover their faith, particularly the teachings of the Torah, which had been lost over time. Uzair alayhi salam life teaches important lessons about faith, patience, and trust in Allah's wisdom. His resurrection illustrates that nothing is impossible for Allah, and even in moments of doubt or despair, one should trust in Allah's plan. His ability to revive the teachings of his people reminds Muslims of the importance of preserving knowledge and passing it on to future generations. While Prophet Uzair alayhi salam's story may not be as frequently discussed as some other prophets, but his contributions to his people's faith and understanding of Allah remain significant. His story serves as an inspiration to those who face challenges in their faith and serves as a reminder of Allah's limitless power and mercy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down.